Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily connect your bank account to your Tap Send, okay? So once you open the app, what you're going to see guys, is you're going to see a prompt banner at the top of your screen. You're going to see a banner like this that's asking you to tap on the connect bank account option. You just need to tap on this option, and then you want to select your bank from the list. You'll see different banks. So if your bank is, for example, Standard Chartered Bank, what you want to do is select that, and then you can then ask you to enter your username and password to sign in. Okay, this is associated with your bank account, and this information, guys, don't worry, it is safely encrypted, and it will not be accessible to tap send or any other unauthorized parties. So this is done by Lean Technologies. Okay, they're the one asking you to sign in, not tap send. So after you put in your username and password, you are going to be sent a one-time password to your device. You can just check your messages or SMS app and just enter the first code, the OTP, the one-time password that you have received on the Tap Send app, and do this, and you will basically, and then just click on continue. Basically, you will just confirm your login or connection to the bank, and then basically what's going to happen is Tap Send will be added as a beneficiary to your bank account, and you'll be able to initiate payments instantly, guys. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you like the like button, comment down below if you're still having trouble, and I'll help you out. And make sure, guys, you subscribe to Ninja, guys, to be notified